feel so tired of things I've done. All the years I've lived, my life on the run. I waste so much time on my nagging doubts. I've forgotten how to see the sun between the clouds.
That's fine.
All the time you told me how men must be.
Don't stare at
And I had no idea what it means to be free.
Oh boy, we just
And all the lonely hours I've waited to see. Until I understood
Boy,
it's all up
how
to
do I look? 5 days in the tent.
A bit
Looking
spiky.
good. A little spiky. That's nice.
guys.
Today's our last full day in Banff National Park, and to celebrate,
We went to
we've
Yoho.
driven to Yoho National Park. We're doing a repeat because we really want to do it. It's our last time for a while. Kids are excited. We're waiting for someone right now. Guess who? Good morning, Takaka Falls. Cheating a little bit. We're parking closer to the trailhead. Save a kilometer or two. Because it's 9:30, we're a little late. We have to drive this way, and it's 2 degrees out. 2 minutes in, and I'm sweating up a storm.
I stopped walking your way, so I'll find mine. So it's time for a change to get beyond my range. No one keeps me here.
Like a stream. No, wait. Like a deer. Never mind. I'll shut up. I don't know if you can see it. It's hidden there. It's called Hidden Lake. Who names these things?
See that?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Hidden Lake. We're going to Yoho Lake, though. I like this part. Like getting views. Look at the views. Oh, man. Yeah. I think this is new. Lazy park staff can't clean up their trail yet. This ought to be good. Good viewing here. Oh, like a pro. Who thinks we're done? And that is a discouraging thought. It's a good boardwalk. Under the boardwalk. Oh. In case you're wondering, we talk a lot because of bears. It's there already. Yoo-hoo! I mean, yo-ho! Oh, oh. We're not halfway yet, Benny. You are a wet stink bomb. We're back. Today is September the 15th. It's 10 years ago my grandpa Blairow died. So just a nice place to stop and think about him. He's a great guy. Just very grateful to be here today. This whole trip. It's unexpected. Pros and cons for going. But we're here and it's been just such a blessing. I think it's just a lot of gratitude. Having fun?
Yeah.
You like it here? Me too. Whiskey.
Yeah, I carry him. Okay, come on, let's go.
Let's do it right. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's get off right now.
Heavy. He's not light.
After Yoho Lake, there's a hellacious climb to the ice line. That's a big tree.
Wow.
When we were younger, you started on with a look you gave. It spread over and over among us.
I got a good feeling. We're getting somewhere. Trees are starting to thin out. This is why we came here today. Dreamed about this place.
Without a whisper, when we were younger, and I held my breath, and like it was my last one, but you stared it right in front of us. You stared it right in front of us. When we were younger, we'd sit around to see your point of view. Watch you give an inch and take
He just woke up from his nap.
when we were young.
Last time we just went down at the junction. Today we're gonna try and go even higher. We'll see. I say we'll see too much. So we're gonna do it. Last time we went down.
You still it right in front of us.
Oh boy. This is it. There's no tomorrow with this, guys. We push until we do it. This is it. Someone built a staircase here. Oh, to a scramble to the top. This is way harder than I thought it would be. We're thinking of turning around. We're just gonna go up to the second little ridge, take a look, and make a decision. Just gonna go for it. I have no idea what's up there. No clue. It's exciting or disappointing. You gotta risk it for the biscuit. I'm all behind. I'm just running ahead to scout because we've bitten off a lot. See what's over this ridge. You guys, there's a mass just around that turn. Right there, right there. part is we can fill up with water because we were getting very low. We just have to go with it. Oh, sorry, nursing shot, but how you doing, Mama?
Now with the mountain, I can with my
So I'm trying to focus.
the water.
Tricky. There's a rainbow there. Nice.
It's not as amazing as you think.
Oh, 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 oh. Wow. We were way up there. But it's good to be back down. Thing is, you need a man to do this job.
Sunlight fell in my living life can be so gracious sometimes. And I felt like everything around me was connected.
Hello. Say hi. We're gonna go start going home tomorrow. Morning. It's our last morning. It's pretty warm. It's 4 degrees, which is one of our warmest mornings yet. Little Jude, he woke me up 4 times in the night from the deepest sleeps I've ever had. Twice to go pee. Twice because he lost his toque. But one of the times he woke me up, I was fighting a grizzly bear, so that's okay. We gotta go pack up camp. Let's go, Worms. Hope we eat all that. Hot, but good. farewell hike will be popping up a little way up sea level Cirque. Yesterday, Jude left his beautiful jacket. Oh, one last thing I forgot to mention before we hit the road. I got 2 books on Amazon. Please check them out. Thank you. So the town of Bankhead used to be up here. Had about 1,000 people from 1904 to 1922. It's old abandoned buildings and stuff here. Very steep climb to get to this point. Mining camp, I think. Wow. There's more in there. Weird. It's an old coal mine shaft. Fenced off. Oh. Yeah. Oh, no thank you. Mine building, there's a faint trail that leads to a viewpoint. Be quiet back there. You're not working. Oh boy. Oh boy. There's Lake Minnewanka.
Late sun shone on Botanic Park. Then a cloud came.
What a nice view. Goodbye, Banff. Minnewanka. It's been fun.
Blue light taste of spring. I could smell cheap wine. With some people typically drink me through no alcohol sign. It ain't over, babe.
Wow.
Won't say like a regular my few devils.
We're so smart doing this. Oh, Joseph, go save their lives there. Thank you.
Okay, it was.
There's the water.
Like
Not Emily, did I say?
Emily and Benny don't want.
Old man was smoking in the alley up Ryan Free.
Does that remind you of the last diaper you changed?
The autumn wind I heard
This is Emily's.
That one's Jude's.
That one's Jude's, actually.
children cry. Couldn't seem to get today through. It ain't over. Won't say it's not true.
Good?
I was holding something.
Yeah, this one.
What a long day that is.
Go away.
Good.
Moon shone bright, but what for me? The alluring beauty of the shadows cast by the tree.
We hope you enjoyed this one as much as we did making it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Say bye, everybody. So why did we go? It might have made more sense to stay home. It would have been easier. We would have got a lot more done. But we went. And I think the deciding factor for me was just looking at my kids and see how fast life is moving, how quickly they're growing up, how little time we have actually to spend together like this. So we went, and it was spectacular. And I think 30 or 40 years from now, if I'm still around, I'll look back at times like this, and I will have zero regrets. I will look back with fondness the time we spent a week in Banff in September. What a blessing it was, what a blessing it has been. We did it. Made it.
It ain't over. It ain't over. It ain't over. It ain't over. Oh, I tried, I cried, I filled the pages. It ain't over, baby blue. The words, they made me ageless. It ain't over, baby blue. The fire burned up love and rages. It ain't over, baby blue. I've been to bars and I've fled the cages. It ain't over.
Benny, where are we? Where's this?
All the plants look just fine.
Where's this? Oh, he just woke up. Hey, we're home. We're home.
Canada. Don't play. Don't play.